Welcome to Bright Beginning in Early Childhood Learning Centers, where every child deserves a bright start. In the mountains of Chitral, something beautiful is happening. In small, colorful classrooms, children are discovering a world of learning, guided by teachers from their own communities. This is Bright Beginnings, an initiative transforming early childhood education for children aged 3 to 5. What began with just 11 centers has now grown into a movement, reaching more families, empowering more women, and shaping brighter futures. Each center is led by a trained woman entrepreneur who inspires curiosity, creativity, and confidence in every child she teaches. Here, learning is joyful, built on play, imagination, and care. By 2026, we will have 101 Bright Beginning centers across Chitral, giving thousands of children the foundation they deserve to dream, explore, and thrive. A bright beginning changes everything. Join us in giving every child a chance to shine. Bright beginnings. Every child deserves a bright start. Thank you.